Alright guys, Jace here and welcome to your first XHTML tutorial. XHTML is a program that allows you to create websites however you want them. Um, it is different than most programs that you'll see. But let's go ahead, before I get too much into that, let's go ahead and download the XHTML program. Now, the program I like to use, other people might disagree, they might like using different sources. But my favorite is Notepad++ for the XHTML program. So go ahead and press download, and I'll take you to the download page, of course. Yeah, that looks like a little smiley face. He looks dead. Anyway, go ahead and click download. I'm not going to do this because I have already downloaded the program. And once you do that, like you go through all the process of how you normally download things, and you should be able to open Notepad++. If it's not here, just go into all programs and you should be able to find it there, or you can just search it. So go ahead and open that, and this is going to come up. So you got that downloaded, great. Now you have the sort of interface of the XHTML. Now XHTML works differently than most programs, as I said, and XHTML it works by tags. And what do I mean by tags? I mean, like, you use tags to tell the computer what you want it to do. Now, an example of one tag is, before we get on, well, the first main important tag, before you start, you don't have to worry about why this is needed too much, but the first tag is less than sign, then exclamation mark, doc, type, space, HTML. And then you're just going to close that off with the greater than sign. Now go ahead and click enter because we don't want to do this all in one line. We can go to the next. So that's the main tag. That's going to tell the computer what type of document this is. So document type is HTML. This tells the computer when you're opening it up so that it knows how to open it. It knows to open it in, let's say, Internet Explorer or whatever. So before we start adding any more tags, first you got to save as. You got to save your file. And let's call this, actually, go to libraries or wherever you want to do, go, documents, whatever, and just create a new folder wherever you want it to go. And let's call this my website. Good. So go ahead and go into my website or whatever you call yours, and let's call this homepage. Now, see right here, this is going to throw it off. I don't know why it saves it as a text document at first. So click on that and find where it says hypertext markup language file, which is the same as HTML. Click on that and save. So see how now you'll know that you're successful, that it turned blue and everything when you click there. That's how HTML kind of works. So now that you have told your computer that this is an HTML document, let's set up the tags. So tags, the first, like the basic tags of telling the computer what to do is first how the website is structured. So at the very top of the website, you're going to have what's called a header. And this tag is simply called lesson sign, head, greater than sign. Now, whenever you start a tag, you also have to finish the tag. So go ahead and finish the tag and do head. Now, this isn't how it's going to be left. See how the starting tag is the same as the ending tag? That can't be, because how will the computer know to start here instead of starting here? So to tell the computer that we are going to start here and end here, we're going to put the backslash symbol there. And that tells the computer that this is where we're going to start, this is where we're going to end. And anywhere in between here is going to be in the header. Now go ahead and leave yourself some room. The first thing that is in the header, the main thing, is the title. So let's go ahead and do the title tag, and you can guess it's title. So close that off. There's your start, but as we said, we need to have an ending tag too. So go ahead and put your backslash title, so that the computer knows that's where it's going to end. Now, anywhere that you type in between the open title and the closed title is going to be the title. So let's go ahead and call this, I don't know, Jace's website. And let's save that. And let's run in Chrome. It doesn't matter. You can run in Internet Explorer if you want. So this is going to open up. And there's nothing here yet, and that's because we haven't put anything into our website. But as you can see, right here, it says Jace's website. That's the name of the website, the title. So that's how you can change this up here. And that's all we're going to be looking at for the title for now. There's one more basic tag, and that is the second part of a website. The second part of the website is the body. The body is where you're going to be putting all the information, your tables, whatever you need to put in there. Your videos, doesn't matter. So can you guess what the body tag is going to be? That's right, body. And same as before, we need our closing tag, so backslash body. And in between the body, whatever you type here is going to be what's in your website. Now, the computer also needs to know that this here, where to start and where to end the website. So we're going to put here, open HTML, and at the very end, we're going to put close HTML. You don't have to worry about that for now, just put that there, and you'll find out later. So again, just to recap, anything put in the head is going to be in the head. In the head, you're going to have the title. Whatever your title is going to be is going to be put in between the title tags. And then you have your body tags, which whatever is going to be in the body is going to be, here we'll use this as an example. As you can see at the top, it's called, well, you can't really see, oh, right here, it's called no plus plus v3.3 or 6.3. That is what their title is. This here is the head. This here is the body. So what they have here is all in between the body, and what they have in the head is all in between the head. So that's how that works. So that's all for your first HTML tutorial. Stay tuned for the next one. I'll be showing you how to go more in depth with these tags and how to use different attributes within the tags. Thanks.